The Dark Knight is a critically acclaimed superhero film directed by Christopher Nolan, released in 2008. It is the second installment in Nolan's Batman trilogy, following Batman Begins, 2005, and preceding The Dark Knight Rises, 2012. The film is known for its intense storytelling, complex characters, and the unforgettable performance of Heath Ledger as the Joker. The story picks up where Batman Begins left off, with Bruce Wayne, Christian Bale, continuing his quest to rid Gotham City of crime. As the new district attorney, Harvey Dent, Aaron Eckhart, and Lieutenant James Gordon, Gary Oldman, join forces with Batman, they form an alliance to dismantle the criminal organizations plaguing the city. However, their efforts face a formidable challenge with the emergence of the Joker, Heath Ledger, a chaotic and anarchic criminal mastermind who seeks to create chaos and prove that everyone is capable of descending into madness. The Dark Knight explores themes of morality, chaos, and the thin line between hero and villain. The film delves into the consequences of choices and the toll that a life of vigilantism takes on Bruce Wayne. It questions the nature of heroism and the sacrifices necessary to protect a city from the forces of darkness. The Joker, in particular, challenges the conventional understanding of good and evil, bringing chaos for its own sake and highlighting the fragility of societal order. Heath Ledger's portrayal of the Joker is widely regarded as one of the greatest performances in the history of cinema. Ledger's interpretation of the iconic character is chilling, unpredictable, and deeply disturbing. His commitment to the role earned him a posthumous Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. Ledger's Joker is a chaotic force of nature, a symbol of anarchy that becomes the perfect foil to Batman's sense of justice. Nolan's direction and the film's technical aspects, including cinematography by Wally Pfister and a memorable score by Hans Zimmer, contribute to the film's success. The use of practical effects, IMAX cameras, and a gritty, realistic tone set The Dark Knight apart from other superhero movies, giving it a more grounded and visceral feel. The Dark Knight not only elevated the superhero genre but also left an indelible mark on popular culture. Its impact on the portrayal of comic book characters in film, as well as its exploration of complex themes, has influenced subsequent superhero movies. Ledger's Joker has become an iconic representation of the character, and the film as a whole is often cited as a benchmark for the genre's potential for depth and complexity.